This interesting device is the Aero 360 Steam Pro from JML. It's a machine that uses hot air and tension to dry and iron your clothes at the same time. But at £80, is it good enough to replace your iron? So we're going to set it up and see how easy it is to assemble. Okay. It was pretty easy to set up actually, and it's quite light and doesn't take up as much space as an ironing board would. So we've got a shirt here to test it on, straight from the washing machine. You do have to do all the buttons up, which obviously takes a couple of minutes. So now I just need to put the clips on the bottom. So the clips should hold the shirt in place. It's taken a couple of minutes to set this up, doing up the buttons, pegging in these clips here and threading through the sleeves. But the idea is that you can then walk away and let it do its thing. So let's turn it on and see what happens. It's pretty noisy. If this was in your living room, you probably wouldn't be able to hear the TV over it. So let's leave it for 10 minutes and see how it gets on. So this has had about 10 minutes. You can see it's done quite a good job. It's fully dry and it's pretty much ironed the body really flat. The only thing is that the thicker areas, the cuffs aren't too bad, the pockets and the collar, they do still have some creases in them. And if you wanted a perfect finish, you'd probably have to go over them with an iron afterwards. There's only one dial, which makes it simple and easy to get going, but it's quite difficult to set it precisely. And we did find that the longer you use it, the hotter it gets, which could be an issue if you want to use it to do a whole load of washing. And of course, it only works on tops, so you can't throw out your iron altogether. So overall, it's low effort, it's done a decent job, not perfect, but if you hate ironing, it could be good for you. To find out the irons that have impressed us, visit which.co.uk/irons.